Hey, thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I just wanted to do a flip through of an altered book that I just completed. This is what the book looks like. It doesn't close, it's not supposed to because it's got a lot of hidden doors and funky things in it. It's meant to sit on a table like this, like on a coffee table. Here's what the back looks like, and there are lots of fun things hanging off the back. There's a tree of life charm, a feather charm, I'm sorry, and some pearl shell, some fibers, really pretty design on the back. So that's the back and the front covers. And let's start at the beginning. Oops, this goes in here. Here's my first page. A lady with a hummingbird hat. There are a lot of three-dimensional embellishments that don't really show up very well on video. Glass doodads and things. And the second page is a 3D heart with glass beads. There's a hidden tag back here behind the heart. The next page is an angel with the words inspire and a bird and bird's nest. Next page says, when an angel comes to visit, be sure to open the door. She's sitting in her chair waiting for her angel. And then you open here, and there's her angel visiting. And then there's also a hidden door here that opens to reveal some sayings. Don't wait for sleep to start dreaming. Be fearlessly authentic. And those are on a pull-out tag that has two faces and some copper and embellishments. And when you put the tag back in its slot, the sayings show up behind the door. The next page is Nature Nurtures, and there's a screen here where you can see to the next page and a beautiful Mother Nature. And then when you flip the page, you can see her through the screen door. And this is Honor Mother Earth. It's a beautiful Mother Earth with painted tree branches, 3D embellishments, all kinds of butterflies and interesting things. And then there's another tag that is another Mother Nature. And on the back there are birds and bees and bugs and things. And the dangles on her tag are bees and butterflies and a tree of life. And she tucks down behind here, so she's like peeking out from the other Mother Nature. On the next page is my Buddha Zen page that says Namaste. Those are raised letters. And she has a beaded necklace and a peace sign. And then the spirit within me honors the spirit in you. And beads and glass beads and an Om sign. And then this tag over here has flower glass beads. On this beautiful tag, she's got a beautiful Buddha face. And then it's very colorful and textured on the back. And that slips in this pocket back here. There's a sun and a moon on the background. A Buddha on this background. Another Zen Buddha tag with peace signs and texture. Behind that is Louise Hay affirmation card. Divine wisdom guides me. Next page is one of my favorites. It's my mermaid page. There's a mermaid. She has glass beaded top. There are vintage stamps with saltwater fish. This lovely window here. A bottle with seashells and a shark's tooth. charms. There's a seahorse, a sand dollar, starfish, and a fish. And then a mermaid tag that comes out from behind that see-through window with seahorses. And there's mermaids and vintage things all collaged on the back of the tag. And behind it is a poem. There was a beautiful girl who came from the sea, and there was just one place that she wanted to be. With a man named Walker who played in a band, she would leave the ocean and come onto land. He was the one she wanted the most, and she tried everything to capture his ghost. And then when you put the tag back in, she kind of hides the poem a little bit and she peeks out over the top. It's beautiful. I love that page. And then there's my art page. There's a wishing well with a wishing well bucket that pops out, and it says wishing for a bucket full of art supplies. And it's got art supplies in it. And it tucks into the wishing well. And then a tag that says art is the life energy of the soul. And on the back, same saying that's done in an image transfer and a lot of texture, old music pages. There's paintbrushes and splatters and texture. It goes in this pocket. And then this says art flips up, soothes the heart. On the last page are, get the fibers out of the way here, are the girls in the garden. There's three-dimensional flowers, painted stems and grass, lift up windows. There's a bird behind one and a woman behind the other, a really cool face behind the other. And then the girls here have the same flowers in their hats, and they're holding flowers, and the one standing up has a tulle skirt. So that is my altered book. Oh, and on the angel page there is a vintage, antique vintage embellishment that has a glass heart, a pearl heart, little cherubs hanging, a heart hanging, a big angel here that's three-dimensional. Let's see if you can see that. It's beautiful. And a rhinestone. Beautiful vintage piece I found in an antique shop. So there's my altered book. There will be a link below of where you can find this in my Etsy store. There's a beautiful metal Buddha on this page. Oh, it's just so pretty. Anyway, it sits on the table like this. You can put it on your coffee table, and it's a very interesting piece of interest with fun things hanging off the back. All the tags have their embellishments and they hang straight down. The camera doesn't show that very well, but they hang down too, so there's lots to see everywhere. So if you're interested, check it out in my Etsy store. If not, hopefully it gave you some inspiration for doing your mixed media altered books. Maybe you saw something in here that might have given you an idea of something to do in your books. I get my inspiration from many different people like LorriMarie Jenkins, Tamara Lepore, Tim Holtz, Dina Wakely, lots of people. So take your inspiration from where you get it, create with it, make it your own, and then enjoy the process, because really art is therapy. So thanks for watching today and have a blessed day. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit like, share it with your friends, tell other people about it, and help support me on my journey for doing some more art. There will be a link to my PayPal account if anybody wants to make donations just to help me in buying supplies and be able to follow along on this art journey path, and be able to buy supplies and provide these videos to inspire others. So thank you for watching.